Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix your favorite sound not showing on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, you need to make sure you have the updated version of TikTok and you need to try clearing the cache as well. So press on that TikTok app here and click on clear cache, and we need to clear the cache and click on clear. And after that, you can get into TikTok and look if your favorite sound is available or not. If not, you need to simply go to profile icon, click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down to report a problem. Now here we can see there is no such option for sound, so we need to scroll down to report and click on chat with us. Now here we get into TikTok help desk. We need to simply write our problem that our favorite sounds is not being displayed on TikTok. And once you write your proper message, simply click on send icon over here on the right and your message will finally be sent and it will be reported. TikTok help desk will address your problem and fix it. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.